Welcome back to another video of this lecture. In this Python tutorial webinar series. So in this lecture, we are going to cover about the dictionary. This is very important data structure according in Python. But- So let's start our lecture. In previous lecture, I have discussed about set intervals list. There are four data types. As you know, we have use only four data types that are list, tuple, sets, dictionary. And dictionary we are going to see. This is our last data type. So let's start our dictionary. You can see this is a normal example of dictionary. Dictionary has used in curly braces, as you can see. And this like you the variable of the site like brand is Ford, model is Mustang, and year is 1964. If I want to take a brand like Mahindra and the model is let's say XUV 700, year is 1980, like this, it is written. Okay. Dictionary are used to store data values. It is used to data values in key value pair. This is this is key value pair. As you can see, this is a key, this is a pair. So a dictionary is a collection which is ordered. Dictionary is ordered. Our set is unordered, but as dictionary is ordered, changeable, you can change, and it does not allow duplicates. Like a set by default do not allow duplicates, but in dictionary it also doesn't allow duplicates. As of Python version 3.7, this is the new version of Python 3.7. Dictionaries are ordered. In previously, in previous version that is 3.6, it is unordered. Dictionaries are unordered, but in 3.7 version, new update, there is ordered. Dictionary is ordered. Dictionaries are written with curly brackets as you. If you want to note down in your topic, sorry, if you want to note down this way, you can note down in your topic. Make side by side notes, and if you don't make, write something short notes, which is very important. Here is an example. Create and print a dictionary. You can see this is the above example. So we are going to see this in VS Code. I will make a folder. I will name it dictionary. That should click open with code. As you know, we are looking at this form starting. Let's create a folder. Name it this 01.py. Let's start our first example of this dictionary. Let's say I am creating a variable name tick is equal to writing like first you start from basic example of the name is where and let's say Ram. Ram is name and let's take the name is there. Let's take age. Age we can say age is like 20. This will enable where to put a comma here also. Comma. Yes, like here you can see comma is with there. I am taking a basic example like name, age, and let's say profession. What he do? Let's say profession is his profession is student. He is student. Ram is student. His age is 20. And after that, outside of the bracket, we have to print our variable that is dict. I am taking dict as a variable. What I have done here, again, see, I have taken a key value. Key value is name, age, profession. Okay, players are the 20, 20 is age, profession is student. Okay, when I click on run, it's giving us dictionary. So this is basically dictionary. You can see it output. Name is coming Ra, age is 20, profession is student. So this is our first example. We can verify also this, how we are getting output. Okay. The brand is called, you can see brand is called. After that, here is comma. Don't forget this. Otherwise, you will get an error. If you don't put like this, I will show you. Be practically. Think practical. Think also, but do practical. No, syntax and make clarity. Let's make concept cases. What if I remove comma here? What else will be answered? What will be answered? So this thing can be, yes, you can see this is giving us error. Okay, this is invalid sentence. The sentence is invalid. So we have to put the comma. Here we have to put the comma. Comma. Then we will run. We will get brand is called, model is first time, year is 1960. Power on. Okay. I hope you understand this example. It's an okay, dictionary items. Dictionary items are ordered. Please note down this in your copy. This line is important. Dictionary items are ordered, but in previous update, previous version, that is 3.6, it is unordered. But after 3.6, this version is 3.7. The dictionary items are ordered, changeable, and don't allow duplicate values. Okay. Dictionary items are represented in key value pairs and can be referred by using the key name. As you can see, print the brand. If I want to print the brand, so what will be the answer? Answer is default. You can see. Answer is if I want to take like a which what is the model, what in which year it is invented. Like I want to check year. Let's say I want to check year. So what I will get? The where is key value where it will check where is the year is 1964. PS code also we can do. Sorry, here. Okay. So let's say I want to access value of no, access value age. I want to check age. I want to check what is the age of Ram. So I what I've done, rate it variable and after that I have given a key value there, which is age. I want to check age. It will print 30. If let's say you want to print his profession, you can see in above code I have given profession is student. So the answer will be student. This is basically how you can access value. Let's see an example also. Let's see one more example, please. I am taking a student as a variable that is curly braces. You know, curly braces are used for this dictionary. After student, let's take, I am taking name is Aman. I am taking name Aman. After that, I am taking name. I have taken name. Let's take his age. Age is 18. You have to put comma. I am forgetting. Sorry for that. You have to put comma. Let's say what he is doing. Force. Force name is CSC. Let's take his city. City is Delhi. Delhi city. So I have taken the note. Travel. Then let's take one like sorry. I have to here. I have to put colon. You have to put here colon. Sorry. This is very silly mistake. You can also do. You have to put here colon. Okay, because this is a key value pair. Pair means key. There will be name and in the front of that we have take the right thing. Let's take. I have to print. We have seen how we can access items, how we can access age, how we can see what course he is doing. For that, we take print student. After that, I want to check course, which course he is doing. So for that, I will write the course. Courses. I have commented out this. Okay. Let's say what is course. As you can see, this course is doing CSE. And like say you want to access his city, in which city he is living, in which city he is studying. For that, you can see Delhi. Delhi is his city where he is completing his CSE course. Okay, so we have seen how we can access items ordered or unordered. As of Python 3.7 version, dictionaries are ordered. Okay, we have seen it. We have see this. When we say that dictionaries are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order and that order will not change. Orders mean in a specific order. There will be a way to do that. There is a defined unordered means that doesn't have a defined order. You can't refer to an item by using an item. Changeable dictionaries are changeable, meaning that we can change, add, or remove items after the dictionary has been created. This means dictionary is mutable. We can change, we can add, we can remove, we can update. So feature comes in dictionary. But in sets, it is not possible. Okay. Set is in our dictionary is mutable. Sorry for some background noises. Sorry for that. Background noises is coming. Duplicates not allowed. Dictionaries part have two items with the same. Like here you can see. In this example, he is taken two times year. 2 year, like year 1964, year 2020. but duplicates are not allowed. Please mention in your notes also. Duplicates are not allowed. It will run. It doesn't give an error and a syntax error. But it can't print one which is extra, which is duplicate with it. It can't print. Like here, 1964 is not printed. Let's take I am written a model. uh, let's I have taken here a model. Let's for example, I have taken here X, Y, Z. You can see I have taken model two times, so there is duplicacy. So it will be print one thing only, one model and one image. There is no duplicacy will be there. You can see model is printed. Model XYZ is printed in output, but here I have taken two times. This is incorrect. Dictionary length, as you know, we we are used we have used this length function in list sets tuples already in a string also slicing part. Okay, so if you want to find the length of a dictionary, it will print like this. Here you can see it is giving us three. Why? Because here is year two times. In dictionary, duplicacy is not as you know. Okay. Okay, so let's see my VS Code also practical. You can see here is 4. If I take here the city one more time, city, let's say city is, I have taken city two times. So it will, what it will be print? Let's remove this. We have to check length. So we use length of the student. The student is our variable. Okay. As you can see, when I will print, it will print only 4. Why? 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 This is very important. Because city is two times. It will be printing only one times. It will know this is duplicate. So I have to take only one. When you will print also, let's check by printing. Okay. Let's see why this. Okay. You can see I am getting a dictionary also. This if I want to check if I want to verify this is dictionary or not. So how you can verify? By using type function, type of student. Okay, let's verify type. What type is it? It is list, it is tuple, what is this? And I will click. You can see I am getting which is dictionary. Okay, we have verified all three things. Length, how we can find length, how we can check that type, how we will print our dictionary. Okay, so we have covered to here. This is data types, as you know, it supports string, int, boolean, float, and listed data type. I have already shown you how you can check type by using type function. Okay, this is deconstructors. This means this is alternative of dictionary. If you have written here curly braces in above example, you will see here is curly braces. But you don't want to use this. If you don't want to use this, you can use simply tick after that after that parenthesis, and here it will be used is equal. Okay. This is the alternative, you can say. Alternative of dictionary. Now you can write dictionary in another. So this is also a type. Okay. Let's see Python collections arrays. Here are four collection data types as you know in the Python. In the Python programming language, list is a collection which is ordered, changeable, allows duplicate members. Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable, allows duplicate members. Set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, and unexhaustive. No duplicate members are known. Dictionary is a collection which is ordered. Okay, ordered is in this version 3.7. Previously version that is 3.6 there is no order. That is unknown. In new version there will be ordered and changeable, no duplicate members. In set and in dictionary there are no duplicate members, and in list and tuple there will be duplicate members. It allows. Set items are unchangeable, you can't change, but you can add or remove whenever you like. Okay. Set in set. As of Python 3.7, dictionaries are important. We have seen this. Let's go through exercise. As always, I do. This is very important to understand what we are studying, how we can solve examples, okay? How we can choose the correct option. One of these is a dictionary? This is x is equal to this is parenthesis, x is equal to this is in curly braces, and this is our tricycle, that is square brackets. So which option is the correct? First, try by yourself. If you can't able to do, I will tell. First, try by you. But this is very. If you see, you will mark option at that time. Just take it. Solve this one. Solve this. Yeah, I hope you have chosen the correct option. Our first option is parenthesis, which is tuple. This is not correct. We have to choose which is dictionary. Dictionary, you know, key value pairs. You can see this is a key value pair. Name is banana, type is fruit. Okay. This is list. This is not correct. Okay. So our correct option is second. Let's go further. I don't want to make this lecture as much long. So we are seeing only important terms. How you can access. Okay. You can access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside square brackets. Okay. If you want, as you can see, I have covered this. If you want to hear access like profession or age, name, you can write that key value pairing, key value, key, key in this square brackets. You have to write inside this square brackets to access items. Like here, it want to access the item that is model. What is the pair for that? You can simply say here is first step. Okay, the model is first step. There is also a method called get that will give you the same design. This is the alternative of this. By using this square bracket, you can also get by dot get model. We can see by code also. Side that, let's say I want to access this frame. What is the syntax for get? And this is alternative. You want to check, you can check by this also. This is alternative. You have to take variable name. After that, get method, and then we will print. Our output will be same as this. Here is profession we are printing. In this we are name. Name is Aman. We get keys. The keys method will return a list of all the keys in the dictionary. Let's see what this will print. This will print all. You can see this is keys. Brand, model, year. These are the keys. So it will be printed. By using key, you can see we do side by side coding. Let's say here it like this. That we have to break down. Let's break what we will get. We will get name, age, course, city. As you can see, name, age, course, city are the keys for this. Here see keys. This is another example. If you want to go through this, you can see in this example, it is adding a new item to the original dictionary. Yes, here is dictionary. You can see there is brand, model, and year. But what we are doing, we are doing a color. Color. Yes, we are adding a color that is white. We are updating. You can see this is before what? First, we are printing keys. Okay. After that, what we are doing? We are doing again printing keys, but after adding white. You can see this one. Okay. This is one more example. If you want to write, please note down. If you want to write, please note down it. Okay, this is the updation. You can see bar here. You want to hear? That's this. What will be the output? After the changing year 2020, it will print 2020. Okay. So, example, this is items. Items, okay. If you want to print items, it will give like brand. This is one item. You know, this is second item. This is third item. Here is our third item. So it will print like this in parentheses, okay? So this is our item keyword. Okay, let's see one example on this. True or false? You can access item values by referring to the key name. It is true or false? Think please. So I hope you all mark the correct option. The correct option is our true. Why it is true? The exercise asks about accessing item values by referring to its key name. What is the standard way to retrieve data from Python dictionary? If you want to take like what this is standard to referring key. So our answer will be we have checked by coding also how we can get key name. Okay, let's how you can change it. We have seen earlier. If you want to update dictionary, you can do by perform by this dot update. Here is this. You can do by this also. This does not give a error. Okay. How you can add items? You can add items by updating. Okay. As you know, updation means adding. Okay. So let's see the on this. What is the exercise pass? Which one of the which one of the dictionary methods can be used to add items to a dictionary? Add, insert, update. Solve by this. Solve this. If you know we can't perform this adding and insert, we have seen only update. You can see adding item means you can update. That means you update. If you update, it will add. So our answer will be update. Okay. How you can remove items, pop method. I have told you in that set or list lecture. I have covered pop. Pop means delete. Del keyword by this. Don't go with del method. This is a little bit confusing. You can you will get like this pop model. This pop model. It will remove model. Okay, and pop item. Pop item means this one. This by using pop item, it will remove event. Model will be there written in our code and front. You can see in our output. Okay, don't go with del method. It is little bit confused for you. Okay. which is a dictionary method for removing an item from a dictionary. Delete, remove, solve by yourself, which is correct option. I hope I have told you we use for delete not. If you want to use del, you can use del only. Delete from delete keyword is from there. Okay, so our correct answer is can see nested. Nested means simply inside the dictionary. If there is a dictionary, inside that another dictionary, like this. Here I have created one dictionary. After that, I am creating and another dictionary. So this is our nested part. Nested means inside that. Let's see this. The child one is here, and here is name ML. Here is 2004. Child 2. Here you can see child 2. This is child 2. This is child 3. This is nested. This part is nested of all. You can see name and here is nested of all. So we are saying output like this. If you want to solve one more example, you can solve like this. We have covered this one. Yes, you can solve this. What is in this example? Create three dictionaries that create one dictionary that will contain the other three dictionaries. Uh, First of all, it will create one dictionary that will contain another other three dictionaries like child one, child two, child three. Here it is created separately. Okay. So let's see dictionary methods. What are dictionary methods? We have see up to clear as well or remove all the elements. If you want to perform any of these method, you have to do simply variable name dot clear like this. If you want to access key, you have to this. You have to do this dot keys. If you want to clear, dot clear. Okay, this is not important for this get items keys pop up item. It is removing of element set the default. This is if you want to read, you can read update add okay values. If you want to note down, you can note down, or if you want to take a screenshot, you can also take a screenshot. Okay, I hope you are all. Let's see a coding championship. Oh, sorry, it is not. Yes, it is not. Coding challenge. Okay, instructions. Let's store understanding how you able to do it. How you able to solve this problem. Inside the editor, complete the following steps. Okay, you have to create a dictionary called car with keys, brand, model, year, and values for the step 2024. And you have to print the value column. After that, third step, you have to add a new key color with a value red. Okay. After that, you have to remove red key using pop. As you know, if here is not mentioned pop, you will know you will know that how you can perform this by using pop. Okay. And after that, you have to print addition. Okay, solve this by yourself. After that, I will solve. I will show how you can do this code. First, take by your time. Take your time. and think how you can solve what is trying to say in question. Do by yourself. After that, you can see solution. I am writing code. Okay. First is stop the video, pause the video, and solve by yourself. If you are stuck at any place, you can again. If you can watch it for the okay. First try by yourself. If you can't get it, how to? That's it. I am writing answer. I hope you all have solved by yourself first. Okay, if you have any problem or is stuck at the point, you can see. Okay, what I have done here, I have created a dictionary as here is mentioned. Okay, with a brand, a model, and year, and printing the bottom. Okay, after that, it is it is say you add a color to it. You have to add a color which is red. Okay, after that, you have to remove the brand. The brand is the brand is for. Okay, after that you have to print. Let's see, let's check our code. Okay, I have forget to mention here some silly mistakes I have done, like comma and this. It's the incoming. Silly, silly, strikes. Now it is correct. This is our final answer. Okay. You can write or type in your VS code. Okay. So I hope you all have enjoyed this lecture of dictionary. So we have covered of all of the four data types. That is data, let's see, data list, tuple, set, and dictionary. In next lecture, I will cover more OOPs. Modern Python OOP. Sorry, some network issues. Some network issue is there. But in next lecture, I will cover basics of OOP. Okay, what are classes, init method, self parameter, inheritance, polymorphism, and this on. Okay, I hope you all have enjoyed and learned as much as this is very important lecture. Dictionary, list, set, and tuple. These are four are important. Okay, so thank you everyone.